and when the MCs are rushing. Big time way before him, I got the touches. Remember the places, in all types of faces. Look on shoelaces, and I'm down with the king. Down with the king. Make some noise. Down with the king. Make some noise. Down with the king. Make some noise. Go, go. Down with the. You wanna be down with the. You wanna be down with the. I'm proud of the man. I keep it hardcore cause it's dope, man. These are the roughest words I ever wrote, man. Not made for a hole like a slow ship. Check it in. Got the MCs and I was playing with D. Because of all the things that I bring with me. Only G.O.D. can be a king to me. And that's the G.O.D. being in a king I be. The microphone is down on it's standing to me. I'm a planet on this planet and I'm ready to see. The MCPs on the team agree. That I rap for the world and the society. I rate this on the stages from the universe. From the tickets to the universe. My voice is strong, my lyrics is strong. I keep it hardcore like you never saw. Down with the. You wanna be down with the king. I said you wanna be down with the king. I said you wanna be down with the king. I said you wanna be down with the king. You wanna be oh boy, make some noise. Make some noise. We rock what you got to say, homie. I went to Dante University. Kindergarten, I acquired the knowledge. After the first grade, I went straight to college. Down with the king on the microphone swinger. The beat to the R, now the R&B singer. The R to the U, and D, I'm a seer. The fly human beings, tonight I hold the team. Working with the phone black, hit the stone of the light. Pick up the pace, better young, perfect. And now to be the big black Twinkie on this in the early morning. Had to get started, back up, and with the back of work. And with the funky beat, so we can blow, check it out. Beat blocks, the blue time, put you in the headlock. Now all they gotta get a block, cause I'm down with the king. You wanna be down with the king? I said you wanna be down with the king. I said you wanna be